All right, IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. Have you ever been to any island?
Yes, I have visited I have visited an island at Karachi. When I go to Karachi about 3 months ago.
When I went to Karachi.
When I went to Karachi about 3 months ago, I visited Minoda Island, which is nearby the Clifton Beach.
Very good. Let's go on. Are there any islands in your country? Now, you can answer the same question in the same way, but try to use different things. So, are there any islands in your country?
Yes, there is an island in my country which is known as Minoda Island. The island is very beautiful, very charming, and often people love to go there.
Okay. Do you want to live on an island?
Well, I certainly try to like it. I like to try it, but it depends upon my experience. And when that I have earlier no experience to live any island. And when I live there, I try to explore that is possible or not.
Okay, this answer is a bit mixed answer. Do you want to live on an island? You say, well, I'm not sure, because I don't know how life is like on an island. I've never experienced that. But yes, for some time, if I'm given a chance to stay on an island for a couple of weeks, I would like to be there, but I would not like to live there forever. Just like this, okay? Yeah. And don't move around. Direct answer, 4-5 sentences, that is fine. One last question. What would you like to do if you go to any island?
When I went to any island,
if I go to
any island, I try to take cool breeze there.
I would like to enjoy the
cool breeze there, and to see the sun going down, and visit the forest of that island.
Okay, so to answer your question, I would like to do such type of activities there, and even you can talk about swimming, fishing. This is also possible on an island. All right, that's good. Overall answers are fine. Let's move on. Do you drive often, or do you often drive the car?
Yes, I usually every day I do driving every day to do my work or classes. Currently, I came here by driving a motorcycle bike to learn IELTS class.
Or to attend my IELTS class.
Yes.
So for bike, you can use the word riding. So you can say, instead of driving, I usually ride. So I have reached here by motorbike and all that. Let's go on. Do you want your children?
Yes, of course.
No, just a second. Let me complete the question first. Yes, of course. Okay. Do you want your children to drive in the future?
Yes, of course. I will provide this facility to my children to learn driving, because I think it's very important to learn this skill nowadays for working in community and for doing their study and for other studying. It's a very important to answer
your question. I would love my children to drive the car.
Yes.
Would you like to give permission to your wife to drive the car?
Yes, why not?
Good.
I will do permission, because by driving the car, they can she can
your wife is she, not he.
She can do their activities.
She can do her activities.
She can do her activities and also their personal activities.
Her personal activities.
Yes.
All right, and then okay. All right. Do you think it is difficult to drive the car?
No, I think it's not difficult to drive a car, because I think million of people nowadays
are driving. To do like this.
Are driving nowadays.
Good. Okay, so I think driving is not difficult at all. Like
yes.
this and like this, no problem. Okay, thank you. Overall, it's good. You just need to be familiar with these topics, and
yes.
then you can answer.
Yes.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you.